Welcome to English Club with Mindful Master. Today's lesson, we are going to study about the difference between shall and will. Do you know when to use shall and when to use will? Do these two words refer to future action? So, prepare your pencil or pen and a notebook. Take down note. Let's get started. We use shall for polite offers. We also use shall for suggestions. It is likely appears in question forms. We use will for future actions and future intentions. So if you want to offer someone something, you use shall. And if you want to give suggestions to someone, you can also use shall. And they are likely appearing questions. So when you want to imply future actions, you use will. And when you make intentions for the futures, you also use will. Okay, now let's try to do the following exercises together. Are you ready? Let's get started. I blank finish my food. What is the correct answer for question number 1? Is it shall or is it will? Let's look at the words finish my food. It's not about giving the offer. It is not giving the suggestion either. Finish my food, it refers to future action. Okay, so we use will. The correct answer is I will finish my food. Question number 2. I blank meet her again. What is the correct answer? Is it shall or is it will? Look at the words meet her again. It refers to future intention. Okay? I have the intention of meeting her again. I will meet her again. Question number 3. Blank, we go to our classroom. What is the correct answer? Shall or will? Of course, it looks as a question because it has a question mark. It is a suggestion, so we use shall. Shall we go to our classroom? Question 4. Blank, we help them out. What is the correct answer? Shall or will? We see that this is a question because there is a question mark. And note that this is an offer. We offer to help them out. So, since this is an offer, we use shall. Shall we help them out? Question 5. I blank be there by 10 a.m. Should we use shall or will? Is this a suggestion or an offer? Or is it a future intention? I blank be there by 10 a.m. Of course, it has an idea of future intention. And if it's a future intention, we use will. I will be there by 10 a.m. Question 6. Blank, I call you later. This one is a question and it is a suggestion. So what is the correct answer? Shall or will? That's correct. If it's a suggestion, we use shall. Shall I call you later? Question number 7. I blank give you a pen. We look at the sentence and we see that it implies the future action. I haven't given you anything yet, but I will give in the future. So we use will. I will give you a pen. Question 8. They blank help you out. What is the correct answer? Shall or will? So again, we look at this sentence and it implies the future intention or a future action. They are intending to help you out in the future. So the correct answer is they will help you out. Question number 9. Blank, we go shopping. So what is the correct answer? Of course, shall is the correct answer because it is a question and it implies a polite suggestion, suggesting to go out for shopping. Shall we go shopping? Question number 10 and number 11. The rules blank be obeyed. You blank give a report in our meeting. Now please listen carefully here. In these questions 10 and 11, there is an exception. This is an exception. A command is made. It's an order. When a command is made, we use shall instead of will. So instead of the rules will be obeyed, we say the rules shall be obeyed. We can also say the rules must be obeyed. Okay? Question number 11, you blank give a report in our meeting. This one is a command or an order, and it implies a polite suggestion. So we use shall. You shall give a report in our meeting. So that's it, guys, for the lesson for today. I hope that this can help understand better the difference between shall and will. Thank you very much for watching. Please help to subscribe my channel.